This is a YSS factory.
Yeah, very nice. And thank you for bringing us here. What's your name again?
My name is Mikas.
Miss Mikas, yes. And thank you for your hospitality for 3 days.
Welcome. Bye.
Sobrang enjoy.
May natutunan ka bago?
Marami. Lalo na doon sa spring, yung marami nagtatanong doon sa spring, bakit may parang gatla. Yun, now, nakita nyo, may video tayo noon.
Explain mo yung gatla, sir.
So yung gatla doon sa spring, kasi nakasabit yun. So parang may alambre siya coming from the spring, tapos mapasok ng oven, i-spray ng pintura. So wala naman taong pwedeng umawak nun, so makakita lang yun. So yun yung gatla na yun, ha. Hindi po siya damage para sa lahat. So factory siya.
Ayun, ganda na paliwanag.
Explain na mga
Okay. For domestic, we work fully automatic. The order from salesman, right? Go somewhere. Tomorrow, keep.
This is a wonderful place. Actually, they build their own spring. At the same time, they have this technology. So, this is what YSS factory is.
Nagulat ka sa size na pa?
Oo, nagulat ako. Kasi from the spring itself, doon na pala yung ginagawa, diba? Tapos yung testings nila, they do something like 110,000 times na pinapump siya bago siya ma-release.
May mo ulit na, sir.
Papump.
Ang ganda, sobrang laki. Tapos sobrang exciting para ma-discuss doon sa mga buyer.
Sobrang daming shock dito. Grabe. Parang gusto ko mag-aaral dito ng suspension para makapag-repair.
For normal use, we have a bladder. Yeah, we have this one. Yeah.
Your preload would be... Ano mga natutunan mo?
Natutunan akong magpa-picture ngayon dito.
Yeah. Mr. Shirt attack.
The real part compare with our 3D file from 1 million stroke. So we designed the machine for helping.
adjustable racing shock for Toyota Fortuner off-road.